Welcome traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Sorry for giving the late review today because I'm just having a lot of work these days, so it's not possible for me to give the analysis on a daily basis, but however today I'm going to give the analysis. Okay, so let's get started with the first signal of the day. That was on Euro USD. This is the signal report that I have sent in the morning, and I have supplied a bullish signal in case of Euro USD. The entry was 123809. Okay guys, now you can see a very good clear trend, upward trend on Euro USD, and yesterday I was also bearish. I'm not sure exactly at the moment, but however today there were a lot of chances that the Euro USD will make a recovery, and you can even see that it has made a very good recovery because this is the hourly chart, and it has also hit the targeted price that I have provided in my signals report. So overall, those traders who have traded the first signal of the day, they should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about another pair which is called New Zealand USD. Okay, this is the second signal of my signals report. Same as scenario as per the Euro USD. A bullish expectation was provided to the customers, and I have provided a huge gap on the basis of hourly chart, and guys, you can see that the market has touched the targeted price 073569. The level is already drawn on my chart, and if you look at here, we have seen a very straight upward momentum right from 073218, and you can see a very good bullish trend on this pair. So overall, a shooting star was appeared yesterday, but it was a fake shooting star. We have seen a downward trend, but later on there were chances of recovery, and today you can see that New Zealand USD has already recovered. Okay, now let's talk about another valid and good trade on Great Britain Pound USD. A bullish signal was supplied. 13907 was the entry, and hopefully if you have traded the first three pairs, then you should be in massive profits because the gap was huge on Great Britain Pound USD, and I am hopeful that you people must have caught your very good profits on this pair. Now let's talk about AUD USD here. Okay, let me switch my signal to here. Okay, bullish expectation was provided. 078137 was the entry, and guys, you can see a very clear upward momentum, and it went just near to the targeted price. So guys, I do not provide take profit in my signals report, but I say that this is the targeted range of the market. You know that the gap in my signals is quite high because I give the signals on the basis of the hourly chart, but I consult the 4-hour and daily chart, and sometimes I also look for the weekly chart before giving you the signal. So it's really hard to give up one signal on one pair each day because I'm not a scalper that is giving multiple signals on different currency pairs in one day. My methodology is quite different. For example, let's say if I'm bullish on AUD USD, then I only play in a bullish way. I do not recommend anything in a bearish way. So this is how the professional traders do, and you should also trade like this. Increase your lot size and plan one trade a day on one particular pair, and I'm dealing with 8 pairs, you can see in my signals report, but however things are quite easy if you understand the market in this way. Okay, yesterday you have seen that Euro USD has made upward momentum, and it was a fake upward momentum. I was again expecting a downward trend. I have switched myself into bearish. 093 the 917 was the entry, and it has taken a smaller U-turn, and after that you can see a big drop, and the drop is enough big that it has even break the barriers of the targeted price 093513. So guys, we have hit 5 signals, and rest of the signals have not taken the U-turn. So if you have traded these 5 purified trades, then I'm hopeful that you people must have made a lot of money today because it was a very easy day for trading. Okay guys, moreover about the trading system, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain. Sell in the top red boundary when you are getting the sell confirmations, like you can see that the market is getting a rejection from the top, you can sell in this scenario. And when you see that the pair has come inside the lower red boundary and it's getting a bullish pressure, like from this candle you can judge that it was moving outside the boundaries of the oversold level, it was a clear message that the market is getting the more buyers. Like here just above the blue zone, the market started to move up, so it was a clear signal to go up. So guys, this is how I use the trading system. Moreover, I have provided you with the today's analysis. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis, and I'm also very busy these days, so maybe it is possible that I will not be able to give analysis on a daily basis because I am doing some task and I will be busy for some days. So guys must note that I will provide my services, and if I will take any vacation on my service, then definitely I will let you know through email that I'm going to take a vacation on a particular day. But however, must note that you can subscribe the service, and you can get the services from me. So overall guys, you can place your orders if you want to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get this powerful trading system so that it can help you with your trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching. For all this, you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.